How to archive chats on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can archive chats on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to archive your chats on WhatsApp, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the WhatsApp Messenger application. Now archiving will simply hide them from the main chat feed and then move them to the archive folder. We're not locking them, but we're only keeping them separately. So if you want to archive a few specific chats, select those chats over here, and then right at the top you'll find this little down arrow icon here, this icon here, which is the archive icon. So you can tap the archive option here, and then those chats has been archived. Now if you look at the top, you can see archive section, and you can see those chats are hidden because those chats have been moved to the archive section here. If I want to unarchive them, select them again, all the chats that you want to unarchive, and then select this arrow icon again, and they will get successfully unarchived and then move back to your main chat page. This way you'll be able to archive chats on WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.